The shadow people. I'm a Christian, but have experienced the paranormal since I was too young to know other people didn't experience it too. When I was young, I remember staying the night at a friend's house and seeing a massive shadowy person climbing out of her mirror across from our bed. A voice in the back of my mind told me to throw a blanket over the mirror, so I did. I had several experiences, and I started calling them the shadow people. Years later, an ex of mine said he was possessed. After a while we broke up, and he wasn't happy, and he said, "I will send demons after you." Sure enough, the shadow people started appearing in my room every night, to a point where I started sleeping with the nightlight on. I distinctly remember a dream one night where I was talking to one of the shadow people. In my dream, I referred to it as a shadow person. It got disgustedly offended and told me not to refer to it with that slur. I asked what it would like to be called, and it said, "You couldn't pronounce it, so what's the point in telling you?"